Hello guys, have a great day. Today's video we're going to cook a sweet and sour. First we're going to slice the garlic, then the onion, and the bell pepper and the carrots. Yeah. Then we saute the garlic, onion, bell pepper and the carrots. Saute. Yan. But guys, we already fried the fish guys, so ready to add na lang. Yan. Just saute, then we add the fried fish. Yan. Yan. And then we add sauce. Then we add salt to taste, then seasoning, black pepper, and then the tomato paste. We melt on the cornstarch, and then we add ketchup. Yan, ketchup lang ang ginamit natin. Kaunti lang yung yung tomato sauce kasi maasim yan. So, dinadagdagan natin ng ketchup. Yan. Then, cook until the carrots will be tender. Yan. Yung tomato paste guys ay gimix ng ng water with cornstarch. Yan, luto na. Yan. I-plating na natin yan guys. Yan, yung sauce niya. Yan. Sarap. Okay guys, thank you for watching.